sparks here with our fourth, with our fourth waist sweeping turn variation. Today it's all about a swingy, swoopy, scoopy leg, and we're going to let that leg carry us around. So let's have a play with the movement without the hoop. Same as before, turning in the direction your hoop is spinning. So if you push the hoop with your right hand, that means you'll be turning to the left. If you push the hoop with your left hand, that means you'll be turning to your right. Let's begin with just getting the leg motion. So we're going to swing the leg back. So we're going to pick up the knee, swing the leg back. Pick up the knee, swing the leg back. Pick up the knee, swing the leg back. You can also do this with a straight leg if you want to. So you could swing forward and then swing it back. Either one. I find knee, swing easier. Once you've got the hang of that swing and you've got the stability in your standing leg, the other thing I need to mention is that this time the swinging leg is the leg that's on the same side as the direction you hoop in. So for me, I hoop to my left, it's my left leg. So if you push the hoop with your right hand, you'll be doing this with your left leg. Left hand, you'll be doing it with your right leg. I may have already said that, but just in case, it's super important because it won't work if you do it the other way. It's going to be like a mess. All right, so we've got lift and swing, lift and swing, lift and swing. Okay, next step is instead of a straight line, we're going to lift diagonally across. So instead of lifting up, we're going to lift our knee diagonally across. So my left knee's coming to my right side. And when I swing back, as I get to this back extension, I'm going to bend my knee and I'm going to point my toe behind my right leg in the direction that we're going to turn. So we go lift, swing around. And that motion of that sort of bend and point will actually just carry you around, depending on how slippy your floor is. If it's not super slippy, you might not make it all the way around, but you will get some of that momentum and that turn. So we go lift. My standing leg toe is pointing on a diagonal that way. I'm going to lift in the same direction as it. Scoop back, bend the knee, and try and point the toe behind the standing leg. And then let your body follow. It will get carried. It's quite a kind of carrying motion. So we go lift, swing, around. Woo! Lift, swing, around. Do it again. Don't worry if you don't land super solid. Lift, swing, around. Lift, swing, woo! Do it again. Lift, swing, around. Once you feel ready, and do that, pause this video and do that on repeat as much as you need to really find that turn. Really focus on lift, swing as it gets to the extension, bend the knee, bend the toe. You can't really point your toe in that direction, but imagine you can. And swing. Again, it's a bit of a timing thing of when to get your leg to swing. But if you close your eyes and really feel into it, you might have to hover here for a little bit to feel it. Or you can just go here and swing. You can see I'm really bringing my leg across to come around. Don't worry too much if you don't make it all the way around. It's totally fine. So we go. I start with my leg back so I can swing it around.